In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube channel graphics in Canva. If you're starting a new YouTube channel or refreshing your branding, one of the most important things to get right is your banner and profile style. A lot of creators end up with designs that look great in Canva, but then appear cropped, stretched, or hard to read once uploaded to YouTube. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier when you set things up correctly from the start. First, open Canva and go to the home page. In the top right corner, click Create a Design. In the search box, type YouTube banner, then select the standard YouTube banner size, which is 2560 pixels by 4040 pixels. This gives you the correct canvas for YouTube, so your design has the best chance of displaying well across TVs, desktops, and phones. Once the blank canvas opens, the next thing you want to do is turn on the tools that help you stay within safe viewing areas. Click File, then go to View Settings, turn on Show Rulers and Guides, and also turn on Show Margins. This is important because YouTube crops banner images differently depending on the device. Your full background may show on a TV, but on mobile, only the center area is visible. Use the rulers to drag out guides and create a central safe zone of 1546 by 423 pixels. Keep your most important content inside that area so it stays visible everywhere. Now it's time to build the visual foundation of your banner. On the left side of Canva, click the Design or Templates tab. In the search bar, type a template style that matches your channel's topic. For example, you might search for something modern, clean, gaming focused, tech-inspired, or travel-themed. Browse through the options and choose a layout that fits the look you want. Click it once to apply it to your canvas. Next, update the text and logo area so the banner clearly represents your channel. Click the main title text and replace it with your channel name. Try to keep it short, bold, and easy to read, especially on small screens. You can change the font using the toolbar at the top and choose something strong and clean. Then add a second line of text underneath for your upload schedule, such as new videos every week. If you have a logo or profile graphic ready, open the Uploads tab and place it next to your text, making sure everything stays inside the safe zone guides. Before exporting, give the entire design one final review. Check that your text and logo are centered properly and fully inside the mobile safe area, while your background extends naturally across the full banner. When you're done, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Set the file type to PNG for clear image quality and click Download again to save your finished YouTube channel graphic. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in